Hi guys, so today we're doing a little bit of makeup. Okay, so I'm going to use this box thing. I don't know. Okay, we're going to use all these colors. And by the way, I don't remember this color or these colors. Okay, so this one is Ruby. This one is La La Land. And this one is Unicorn. So, try to remember those names. And we're going to use this brush, this side for the eyes. We're going to use this side for the cheeks. And just my finger for the lipstick. First, we're going to do the eyeshadow brush. And just remember this side. And then, so we're going to use all these 4 eyelashes on my eyes. Okay, so open up it. And there's a mirror too in it. 2 mirrors and okay, let's just move on the makeup and play with some makeup right now. Okay, so I'm gonna go with this pink one first. Actually, yeah, the pink one first. And just do 2 little dabs. And it should show up. Maybe do 3 more. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, that would show up. And just put it over my eyes. Just like that. And my eyes look beautiful. Okay, we're going to do the same exact thing on the other side. And yeah, those should show up. Let's do a little more on both of them. Just so you know it's pink. This side is really pink. And just blow it off. And just use this thing that, the wiper. The wipes makeup off. And we're gonna do another one. We're gonna use Unicorn, which is the white one. Yeah, we're gonna do Unicorn. Just do on top of the eye. Do a little more. And do a little bit that side. Okay, that's so wet. Can you see that? Okay. Do a little bit. We're gonna do a little bit. And a little bit on that. That that should go right. Okay. And then we're gonna use this one. Yeah. Which is called La La Land. We're using La La Land, which is the sparkles. And just do a little bit. Because you don't want too much sparkles on your eyes. Then they will fall on your eyelash and in your eyes. Yeah, that would be crazy. And that much. And let's do it. Let's do a little more. We're forgetting this eye. What are we doing right now? Playing with some makeup. Okay. Sparkles. Okay. And look at all those eyes. Now we're doing our cheeks. Right there. We're going to use this side, the small side, instead of the bigger side. Okay. Use it right now. And see that pink? We're going to dab it right on our cheeks. Oh, let's wipe some off. We're going to use these wipes. They're makeup wipes, not baby wipes. I don't know what that sound is. Woohoo! We're using makeup wipes! Whoa, I need them really bad! Okay, dab. Like right in. That should work it. Just remember, this one, I don't remember its name. My mom told me its name. Okay, now let's dab a little bit off. Dab it right on. Now, this is the last thing, guys. Lips. Man. Okay. The lips is called Ruby. And this pink one where I'm pointing, oh, I almost dropped it. We're gonna put it on my lips. See that? We need a little bit more. There. See that? Let's wipe a little off. Let's just take a tiny little dip thing like that. I wiped all of it off. Jeez. Now I'm going to close the thing. We used all of those. And thanks for sharing today with me.